We shall now step towards the Sikh perspective. This is a presentation of GGSF, which stands for Guru Gobind Singh Foundation. GGSF is located in Rockville, Maryland. The host here is our well-respected Dr. Rajwant Singh of GGSF. Today, Dr. Singh says, God is everywhere.
सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है, गोबिंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोबिंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है। एक अनेक व्यापक पूरक, जत देखो तत सोई, जत देखो तत सोई, माया चित्र विचित्र विमोहित, बिरला बूझे कोई, बिरला बूझे कोई, बिरला बूझे कोई, सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है, गोबिंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है. This is Bhagat Namdev ji, the saint from Maharashtra, whose hymns are included in the Guru Granth Sahib, the 6 scriptures. And this was included by the Guru Nanak, who had the vision of bringing all these different saints, different parts of Indian subcontinent, and included their Bani, their hymns, their words in the Guru Granth Sahib. And in this beautiful Shabad, Bhagat Namdev ji is saying, Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai, Gobind bin nahi koi. That everything, wherever I see reflection of God, I see manifestation of God. There is nothing which is devoid of God's presence. And he says, Ek anek vyapak purak. Jat dekho tat soi. That there is so much diversity that we see around ourselves, whether it's the life form or some things which are not, we think they are not alive, but he sees God present in everything. He says, Jat dekho tat soi. Everything what I see is nothing but God. Maya chitra vachitra vimohit virla bujhe koi. Now he gives us the problem and diagnoses our problem. What is our problem? That we don't see it. He says, Maya chitra vachitra vimohit. That our minds, the human mind is so intelligent that it keeps us, sort of thinks about self-interest, but it goes to such an extent that in that pursuit of self-interest, it forgets that why we are here. Birla bujhe koi, maya chitra bachitra bimohit, that we are enticed by so much around us that there is only very few, virla bujhe koi, only very few understand that everything else, everything around us is nothing but manifestation of God. And let us all hear the next line also, Jal tarang arfain bud buddha jalate pinna hoi. He says when there is a bubble on the ocean or the river coming out of the water, there is no difference between the bubble and the water. Jalate pinna hoi. E par panch par brahm ki leela vichat anna hoi. That the entire creation is a game, is like a play of the Creator, the Beloved. There is no difference between the Creator and the creation. Let us all read the last line, sing the last line. कहत नाम देओ हर की रचना, देखो हृदय बिचारी, देखो हृदय बिचारी, घट घट अंतर सर्ब निरंतर, केवल एक मुरारी, केवल एक मुरारी. He says, Namdev says, just look around. The whole creation belongs to the Creator, our own Creator, our own beloved. Har ki rachna is a creation. Dekho hriday bichari, put your heart in it. Feel from your heart, not from your mind, not from your intellect, but from your heart. That's where you're going to feel the presence of Vaheguru, presence of God. He says, Kat kat antar, sarb nirantar, everything, every living being, kat is the sharir, the body. Every body is a temple of God. God is residing in them. And keval ek murari. Now murari is a word, a lot of these words which Ram, Murari, these are words used in Guru Granth Sahib indicating one God. So keval ek murari, that everything else is immersed in the Creator. Keval ek murari, there is nothing else, it's a oneness. So sab gobind hai, sab gobind hai, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद